Superstar Shah Rukh Khan and filmmaker Rajkumar Hirani on Tuesday announced their first feature film collaboration, Dunki, set to release in theaters on December 22, 2023. Khan took to Twitter to share the title and the release date of the film with a video 2 years after reports of him collaborating with the Munna Bhai MBBS director emerged online. Calling Hirani his Santa Claus, the superstar said he is humbled and excited to work with the filmmaker on his next year's Christmas weekend release. The film, backed by Jio Studios, Red Chillies Entertainment and Rajkumar Hirani Films presentation, also features actor Tapsee Pannu in a pivotal role. Hirani has co-written the movie with frequent collaborator Abhijat Joshi and Kanika Dhillon. The director, known for films like Three Idiots, the Munna Bhai franchise, PK and Sanju, said working with Khan was on his wish list since he started his filmmaking journey.